Good morning. My hair's crazy. It's a brisk morning here in Vegas. It's in the 40s. So I'm going to layer up a lot today, or you're just going to be hearing me complain about being cold the entire ride. We're going to the Hoover Dam. So we're going. So yeah, let me finish walking the dog, bundle up, and get going. See you in a second. All right, we're all ready and loaded up. She's got her sweater on. She's very upset about it, but she's gonna like later because it's gonna be kind of cold, right? Okay. Okay. That was indeed a brisk ride out here. But, I mean, I think it was worth it. We're not even to Lake Mead yet. It's over there. I think it's that one over there. It's the viewpoint. It's gonna be a good time for the dog to stretch her legs. Successful at the gift shop. Got some postcards and some pins and some stickers. Now, yes. On our way to the dam.
no, Beebs. We don't do heights. It's very cool. All right, can you take a selfie with me? Oh, watch out. Come here. Take a selfie with me? Selfie? Take a selfie.
Here we are at the Hoover Dam. It's pretty cool. We can't do the tour, of course, because I have a Chihuahua, so we'll have to watch a history tour when we get back on YouTube, but it's pretty darn cool out here. Oh, that makes me twitch. Cool looking. Not much else we can do here. We walk all the way across. So I guess we'll start heading back into town. Whew, man. What a lovely day. Glad we manned the cold and made it happen. Just happy to. That was a long ride. Dog's restless, of course. But that was beautiful, super fun. Glad we did it. We are going to warm up, rest, make some lunch, and see you in a second. Hello, from a few hours later. I was so cold, I left out the scooter, came inside, cranked the heat, put on a blanket, took a nap. It was great. So, the cruise things that I got. Of course, we got a Lake Mead pen. I got a Hoover Dam bench marker. And then when I was at the Hoover Dam store, I actually found a different pen I liked better. So I got the Hoover Dam with the girl on it. The Republican statue. So those are cool. So we got 3 pins today. Postcards. Of course, the map. Drive like the tortoise sticker, which basically in state park means goes the speed limit, keeps animals safe from your cars. So that's really cool. Another sticker. A love and protect your parks, the national parks pledge little thing. A Lake Mead thing to go in my collection. Flat a penny. Then I got a bloodstone bracelet. I've been watching some rock videos and I'm really excited about bloodstone, so had to have that. Yeah. So I was looking at the Red Rock National Park, which I think, or National Monument, which I think I'm going to go to tomorrow. They do have petroglyphs, so I think we're going to have to embrace the cold once again to do another scooter adventure over to that park. Yeah, I think that's about all for tonight. See you in the morning.